Hello, my name is Sanika. My today's topic is the pharmacovigilance system. Pharmacovigilance, also known as drug safety, is the pharmaceutical science relating to the collection, detection, assessment, monitoring, and prevention of adverse effects with pharmaceutical products. The uh, the etymological roots for the word pharmacovigilance are pharmakon, uh, Greek for drug, and vigilare, Latin for the keep watch. As such, pharmacovigilance heavily focuses on adverse drug reactions, which are defined as any response to a drug which is noxious and unintended. That definitions includes lack of efficacy. That means the doses normally used for prevention, diagnosis, or treatment of a disease, or especially in the case of device for the modification of psychological disorders functions. In 2010, the European Union expanded PV to include medication errors such as overdose, misuse, and abuse of drug, as well as drug exposure during pregnancy and breastfeeding. These are monitored even the absence of an adverse event, because they may result in an adverse drug reaction. The US FDA has a long considered such criteria to conform to reportable and collectible pharmacovigilance standard. Patient and healthcare provider reports risk management is the discipline within pharmacovigilance that is responsible for signal detection and the monitoring of the risk benefit profile of the drugs. Other key activities within the risk management are that compilation of risk management plans and aggregate reports such as the periodic safety update report, periodic benefit risk evolution report, and the development safety update report. Causality assessment. The causality assessment is one of the most important and challenging problems in the pharmacovigilance, is that of the determination of causality. Causality refers to the relationship of a given adverse event to a specific drug. Causality determination or causality assessment is often difficult because of the lack of clear cut or reliable data. While one may assume that a positive temporal relationship might prove a positive causal relationship, that is not always case in that to be sting adverse event. Adverse event uh, where can clearly be attributed to specific cause is by far the exception rather than the rule. This is due to complexity of human physiology, as well as that of disease and illness. By this reckoning, in order to determine causality between the adverse event and the drug, one must first exclude the possibility that there were other possible causes or contributing factors. If the patient is on a number of medications, it may be the combination of these drugs which cause the adverse event, and not anyone individually. There have been a number of recent high profile cases where the adverse event led to the death of an individual. The individuals were not overdoses with any one of the many medications that were taking by the combination there appear to cause the adverse event. Hence it is important to include in your or one's adverse event report not only the drug being reported, but also all other drugs the patient was also taking, as well as other sources such as cases reported in medical literature play a crucial role in providing the data necessary for pharmacovigilance to take place. In order to market or to test a pharmaceutical product in the in the most countries, adverse event data received by the license holder, usually a pharmaceutical company, must be submitted to the National Drug Regulatory Authority. Ultimately, pharmacovigilance is concerned with identifying the hazards associated with the pharmaceutical products, and with minimize the risk of any harm that may come to patients. Companies must conduct a comprehensive drug safety and pharmacovigilance audit to assess their compliance with local, regional, national, or international laws and regulations. This includes ongoing collection of safety data after a product is approved for marketing. Thank you.